If you're looking to rent a beach property in Baja California, in this video, I have a very good option for you. Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Mendez, your licensed real estate broker in San Quintin, Baja California, Mexico. And today I would like to greet you from Costa Brava because we have a beautiful house for rent, and I would like to invite you to watch this video with me and get all the details of it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video with me. If you would like to make an appointment to see this beautiful house, please don't hesitate to give us a call or to send us an email, and we'll be more than happy to show you this beautiful house that we have for rent in Costa Brava. Also, I would like to take the time to thank you for all the support you give me in social media. Thank you.